Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook orange sweet potatoes. First, wash your sweet potatoes thoroughly under cool running water, removing any dirt or debris. You have a choice here. You can peel them if you prefer a smoother texture, or leave the skin on for extra fiber and nutrients. Next, cut the sweet potatoes into uniform pieces. 1-inch cubes are perfect for most cooking methods. This ensures they all cook at the same rate, giving you consistent results and delicious flavor every time. Roasting is a fantastic way to bring out the natural sweetness. Start by tossing your prepared sweet potato pieces with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season them simply with salt and pepper, or try a touch of cinnamon for a sweeter profile. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Overcrowding prevents browning. Roast in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. They should be tender inside and slightly caramelized on the edges. For a comforting, creamy dish, mashed sweet potatoes are ideal. Begin by boiling or steaming your sweet potato chunks until they are incredibly fork tender. This process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them thoroughly to prevent a watery mash. Then, transfer them to a bowl and mash them until smooth, incorporating about 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of warm milk or cream. Season with a pinch of salt, perhaps a dash of maple syrup, for a truly delightful and velvety side dish. After filing the initial report, law enforcement will typically conduct a thorough interview to understand the situation fully. They will then formally file the missing person report, initiating their investigative procedures without delay. It is important to remain patient and cooperative, as you may be asked to provide additional details or follow specific instructions. Maintaining consistent communication with the investigating officer will greatly assist their efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.